Hey, what's going on, guys? Welcome into forlow.net, the best place on the planet to buy vintage electronics. My name is Spencer, and today I've got this Kenwood 5-disc CD player and changer to show you. The model number is 103 CD. It's got some nice features. It has a remoteless design, so you can use it fully without a remote control. But let's go ahead and get into it. So on the rear panel of it, you have your system control right here. And then you have line output for your audio. And then this is for the system control right here. You can set it to SL16 or XS8. And this was manufactured in March of 1997, and it was made in Malaysia, which Malaysia is a good place to get your products from. To connect it, all you have to do is plug in the red and white cable to the line output on the back, and then connect your power cord. This will work with just about any speaker, but I would recommend using a sound system similar to what you see here. And on the front panel of it, you have your power button right there. So we'll turn it on and we'll go ahead and insert a couple discs. And then over here, you have a few other options. You have check and clear. Those are for queuing. And then you have play mode. You can set it to program, or sorry, that's program mode. You can turn that on or off. With that, you can queue up some songs. And then with the time display, you can adjust how the time is displayed on the screen. And then you have random play. With random play, it will randomly select a disc and then randomly select a track from that disc. And then you have repeat play. With repeat turned on, you will be able to listen to your music endlessly without interruptions, at least until you stop it. And then right here you have your track skip button and your search buttons right there. And then right here you have all of your disc select buttons. You have edit, and then disc skip, eject, stop, and pause. And if you have a disc playing and you push the eject button, you'll be able to insert and eject 4 of the discs while one continues to play. Alright, so that's pretty much all there is for this Kenwood 5-disc CD player and changer with the remoteless design. It's got some really convenient features. It makes it easy to listen to your CDs without having to keep changing them in and out of the CD player. If you want to order one, make sure you get it at forlow.net to make sure you get the best guarantees and the best warranty. And you can get it on our online store, or you can give us a call to order one.